Good afternoon, students. In this class, we are going to start this sum, arithmetic sum, long question. Yes. Long question. In long question, you have to know that what you were asked, first of all you have to find A and D. Just so they can हमले A ready पहला find गर्नु पर्यो हुन्छ. Okay, long question one, book question. Yes, question number 1. Find the common difference and first term of arithmetic series if the sum of the first 6 term and 9 term are 183. You have to find common difference. D is equal to what? First term A is equal to what? And if the sum of the first 6 terms, yes 6, and 9 terms, sum of the 9 terms, yes 9. How much is given? 183 as well as 369 given. Okay, you have to find A and D. If sum of 6 term is given 183 and sum of 9 term is given 369. If n term is given, then you have to use the formula of Tn. If sum is given, then you have to use the formula of Sn. By making equation, you have to find A and D. One side, S6 is equal to 183, N is equal to 6. Another side, S9 is equal to 369, N is equal to 9. Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Yes, this formula. How much Sn? Sn is equal to 183. 183, N means 6 upon 2, then what? 2A plus, N is not given, N minus 1 into D. Yes? Got this 2 3s are 2 3s are 6 and 3 6s are 3 1 is 3. What is there? 2A plus N is given there. 6 minus 1 5. 5D is equal to 61. This equation 1. Yes. Same way Sn is given. Sn is equal to N by 2. Okay. 2A plus N minus 1 into D. How much Sn? 369. N is 9 upon 2. 2A plus N is 9 minus 1 into D. This 9 goes up 9 11. Then what? 2A plus 9 minus 1 8. 8D is equal to this and this multiply. Cross multiply 82. This equation 2. Yes, this equation 1 and this equation 2. Okay, solve this equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. By algebra method, you have to solve this equation 1 and equation 2. What is equation 1? 2A plus 5D is equal to 61. This 2A plus 8D is equal to 82. Yes, 2A plus 5D is equal to 61. 2A plus 8D is equal to 82. There is subtraction. Minus. This cancel. 8A बड़ा 5D बड़ा होगा 8D बड़ा minus 3D. This minus 1, this 21. Yes. Minus cancel. 3 7s are 21. d is equal to 7. Okay, d is equal to 7. Put this value whether in equation 1 or equation 2. Putting the value of d in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2a plus 5b is equal to 61. 2a plus 5 into d is 7 is equal to 61. 2a is equal to 61. 7 5 is 35. 2a minus this 6 36. 2 13 a is equal to 13. Therefore, a is equal to 13, then b is equal to 7. That is. तो इक्वेशन गर्ने कुरा है लङ क्वेसनमा जति छ a र d दिदैन. अब n टर्म भन्छ भने tl को फर्मुला लगाएर इक्वेसन गर्ने, लास्ट टर्म दिन्छ भने l को फर्मुला लगाउने र सम दिन्छ भने sn को है. व्हाट एभर गिवन जेसुकै दिए पनि वी हैव टु युज द फर्मुला युज गरेर हामीले के छ इक्वेसन गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. ल बुकको 1 नम्बर र 2 नम्बर सेम दिएको छ. हामीले इक्वेसन गर्नुपर्ने छ. Okay, then 2 number. Read nicely. The sum of the first 10 terms, sum of the 10 term, yes 10, is 27.5. Yes. And the 10 term is, your sum of 10 term is 10 term. 10 term is T10. 10 term is equal to 5. Determine the value of first term and common difference. First term is equal to what? Common difference is d is equal to 1. दुईटा कुरा धेरै राम्रो छ. सम भन्ने बित्तिकै यस, सम भनेर n टर्म भन्ने बित्तिकै tn है. 10 टर्म र सम अफ 10 टर्म दिएको छ. र अघि नै हामीले SN बाट इक्वेसन निकालेर भनेपछि कहिलेकाहीँ योभन्दा अघि लगेपछि TN को इक्वेसन थियो, यहाँ SN र TN को इक्वेसन छ. एउटा SN अर्को TN छ. सो one side S10 is equal to 27.5, n is equal to 10. अर्कोतिर T10 is equal to 5, n is equal to 10. एउटा 10 टर्म को सम छ, अर्को 10 टर्म छ है. त जे दिन्छ त्यही फर्मुला लगाउने. एकातिर SN दिएकोले SN is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How much SN? 27.5. n is 10 upon 2. Then 2a, n is what? 10 minus 1 into d. Yes. 2 5s are 5 is multiplied. 5 5s are 25. This 2 carry over there. 5.5. 2a plus 9d is equal to 5.5. This equation. Tn SN level SN को फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे. Then Tn is given. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. How much Tn is 5. A plus n is 10 minus 1 into d. how much a plus 9d is equal to 5. This equation 2. इक्वेसन भनेको राम्रोसँग बुझ्नु है। इक्वेसन भनेको यो भन्दा पहिले हामीले टिएन को इक्वेसन गर्यौं, अघि नै एसएन को इक्वेसन गर्यौं, यहाँ टिएन एसएन को छ है। इक्वेसन जे पनि हुन सक्छ, एसएन को पनि हुन सक्छ, टिएन को पनि हुन सक्छ। एसएन एन टर्म भनेपछि टिएन लगाउने, सम अफ एन टर्म भनेपछि फेरि एसएन लगाउने है। र इक्वेसन सोल्भ गर्ने बेलामा क्लास 9 मा पढेको यहाँ 2a छ, यहाँ a चाहिँ इक्वल छ छैन, इक्वल हुनु पर्यो। यसलाई कतिले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो 2 है। इक्वेसन 2 is multiplied by 2 and solving with equation 1. Equation 2 is multiplied by 2 and solving with equation 1. What is equation 1? Look there. 2a plus 9d is equal to 5.5 and this multiplied 2a plus 9 to the 18. 18d is equal to 5 to the 10. Minus, minus, minus. Yes, subtraction is minus. This. What? Minus 9d is equal to minus 4.5. This minus minus cancel. D is equal to 4.5 upon 9. 4.5 1 ja, 4.2 ja. D is equal to 1/2. Putting the value of D in equation 1. Keep this whether equation 1 or equation 2. What is equation 1? 2a plus 9d is equal to 5.5. Yes. 2a plus 9 into d is 1/2 is equal to 5.5. 2a plus this cut this 4.5. Yes. Is cut is equal to 5.5. Bring this back side. 2a is equal to 5.5 minus 4.5. 2a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1/2. There is R. Therefore, A is equal to 1/2 and D is equal to also 1/2. Now, again हामीले SN XN को इक्वेसन गरेका थियौं भने यहाँ चाहिँ हाम्रो के छ TN SN को इक्वेसन छ। एउटा हामीसँग TN छ, अर्को इक्वेसन छ। Okay, then we are going to SC equation. SC equation also same. Yes, SC equation में यही हो, equation गरेर A र D निकाल्नु छ, त्यसपछि whatever asks we have to do that है। जे सोध्छ त्यसपछि कुरा। पहिला हामीले इक्वेसन गरेर A र D चाहिँ पहिलो कुरा त भनेको I have already told in arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence में जे क्वेशन गरे पनि we need A and D. A र D हाम्रो पहिलो हो र SC equation हो। SC equation. Model 1, question number 1. If the third term of arithmetic series is 3, third term means T3 is equal to 1, fifth term is 7, fifth term means T5, 7, find the sum of first 10 terms. Sum of 10 terms, yes, 10 is equal to what? The third term र fifth term दिएको छ ल हामीलाई sum of the what first 10 terms भनेको छ। अब sum of 10 terms त हामीले फर्मुला लगाएपछि निस्केला पछि तर हामीसँग पहिला त ए र डी छैन। पहिला त यो दुईटाबाट के छ, पहिला पढे जस्तै ए र डी निकाल्ने अनि बल्ल S10 पछि निकाल्ने है। one side T3 is equal to 1, N is equal to 3. Another side T5 is equal to 7, N is equal to 5. If Sn given, then you have to use the formula of Sn. If Tn given, then use the formula of Tn. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. How much Tn given? 1. A plus N is 3 minus 1 into D. Then what? A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 1. This equation. Yes. A plus 2D is equal to 1. Then there Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. How much Tn? Tn is equal to 7. A plus N is what? 5 minus 1 into D. Then A plus 4D is equal to 7. This equation 2. Okay, one side I have used the formula Tn. Then I get equation 1. Another side I have used this equation 2. Then solve this. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. What is equation 1? A plus 2D is equal to 1. Then A plus 4D is equal to 7. Yes. Then subtraction minus. This cancel. Minus 2D is equal to minus 6. Minus 2, 3 is 6. D is equal to 3. Okay, put this value. Putting the value of D in equation 1. Putting the value of D in equation 1. What is equation 1? A plus 2D is equal to 1. Then A, how much A? A is not given. A plus 2 into D. D means 3 is equal to 1. A plus 2, 3 is 6 is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 plus 6 go there minus 6. A is equal to minus 5. Therefore, A is equal to minus 5. Then D is equal to, we have already got 3. A and D. First of all, you have to find A and D. Then what? Sum of 10 terms. Sum of 10 terms is what? N is equal to 10. Use formula Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Yes, 10, yes. N means what? 10. 10 upon 2. Then 2 into A means minus 5 plus N means 10 minus 1 into D means 3. 2 5 0. 5 2 5 0 minus 10 plus this 9. 9 into 3. 5 27. 5 into 70. 85. Okay. Yes, so they first of all we have find to value of A and D है। A र D नै सबभन्दा बढी इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो। A र D निकालिसकेपछि त्यसैको भ्यालु पुट गरेर अन्य चाहिँ अब इक्वेसन भनेको TN को पनि हुन सक्छ, SN को पनि हुन सक्छ, TN को पनि हुन सक्छ है। ल मोडेल 1 मा यस्तै छ। अब मोडेल 2 मा है, मोडेल 1 मा सबै क्वेशन यस्तै छ। You have to find the equation of sum. So first you have find make equation and find the value of A and D. देन यू हेभ टु युज द सम है। सबै TN 10 को इक्वेसन दिएको छ। यो TN 10 को इक्वेसन भनेको हामीले यो भन्दा प्रिभियसली च्याप्टरमा पढिसकेका छौं। ओके, देन गो टु मोडल 2। Model 2. Question number A. 14 term arithmetic series is 2. 14 term. 14 is T14. 14 term is 2. And sum of the first term. Yes, 10. Sum is yes. First term is sum of the first 10 terms is 150. Find the sum of the first 20 terms. Yes, 20 is equal to ओके, अघि भर्खर पनि गरेको। अब अघि TN 10 इक्वेसन थियो, यहाँ SN TN SN को छ है। On one side T14 is equal to 2, 14 term भनेको छ, N is equal to 14. Another side S10 is equal to minus 150 and N is equal to 10. Okay, then use the formula. यहाँ TN दिएकोले TN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is the TN? TN value is 2. A plus N means what? 14 minus 1 into D. Arrange this. A plus this is 13. 13D is equal to 2. This equation 1. And there is Sn is equal to N by 2, then 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, Sn is equal to what? Minus 150 N by 2. N is 2 upon 10 upon 2, then 2A plus N is 10 minus 1 into D. 2 5 10 and 5 30. What is there? 2A plus this and this minus 9D is equal to minus 30. Equation 2. I have put 2 5 is 10 and 5 30 is 150. Yes. Okay, for solving there should be equal. Look there, one side there is 2A, another side is there is not equal. A and 2A. So making equal you have to multiply this. है बराबर गुना का कितने multiply करेंगे? Equation 1 is multiplied by 2 and solving with equation 2. Equation 1 is multiplied by 2 and solving with equation 1. Yes. What is the equation 1? Multiply with this 2A plus 13 to the 26D and 2 to the 4. Then equation 2, 2A plus 9D is equal to minus 30. There is subtraction. Then plus minus minus. This cancel. 9 bada 26 minus 9. 17 17D 30 and 4 34 17 to the 34 and D is equal to 2. Yes. Then putting the value of D in equation 1. What is equation 1? A plus 13D is equal to 2. A plus 13 into D means 2 is equal to 2. A plus 26 is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 minus 26. A is equal to what? 20 minus 24. Minus 24. Yes. Therefore, A is equal to minus 24 and D is equal to 2. And we have to find sum of 20 terms. N is equal to 20. Whatever given, you have to find the value of A and D. If A ready, I have given skills, right? Sn is equal to what? N by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, 20. 2 means n means 20 upon 2. 2 into a means minus 24 plus n means 20 minus 1 into d means 2. 2 tens are yes minus 48 plus 19 into 2. 10 minus 48 plus 38. 10 into this minus 10 minus 100. This 0 is given what? 24. Sorry, 25 terms. Sum of the 25 terms is given. Sorry. Sum of the 25 terms. So n is equal to what? Find the sum of the first 25 terms. 25 is 25. 25 yes. 25 upon 2, 48, 24. Yes. 25 upon 2 is 48 plus 48. 48 is cancelled. 25 upon 2 into 0. Okay. ल यहाँ मोडल 2 मा कोही टिएनएसएन को छ कोही एसएनएस राम्रोसँग ध्यान दिनु है सम अफ भन्छ भने एसएन अनि टर्म्स एन टर्म्स भ्यालु भन्छ भने टिएन है राम्रोसँग ध्यान जसरी पनि वी हैव टु फाइन्ड ए एन्ड डी यति बुझ्नु पर्यो ए र डी फाइन्डिङ जबसम्म ए र डी फाइन्डिङ हुँदैन तबसम्म वी कान्ट गेट एनीथिङ है हामी के पनि निकाल्न सक्दैनौं ए र डी ले सबैभन्दा बढी इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा हो ए र डी सबभन्दा पहिलो फाइन्डिङ हुनुपर्छ ए र डी निस्केपछि हामी अरु जेसुकैको फर्मुला भनेको त्यही टिएन एसएन र यल तीनटा फर्मुला हो हामीसँग है तर जसरी पनि ए र डी निकाल्नु लङ क्वेशनमा मेन भनेको ए र डी ओके मोडल 2 मा सबै त्यस्तै क्वेशन छ हामीले माथि गरिसकेको हुनाले यु क्यान प्र्याक्टिस योरसेल्फ देन गो टु मोडल 3 look there model 3 a or 1 yes sum of the first 10 terms yes 10 sum of the 10 terms of arithmetic progression is 50 and fifth term is t5 fifth term is triple of second term triple means 3 into second term t2 fifth term is triple means 3 मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो 5 times 10 times हुन्छ जति टाइम्स हुन्छ त्यसले मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने 2 times भनेको डबल भन्नु 2 times हो 3 times भन्नु triple of what second terms and calculate the first term you have to calculate first term a is equal to what and sum of the first 20 terms sum of 20 terms is equal to what okay one side you have to give a what yes 10 is equal to 50 n is equal to 10 another side fifth term means t5 is equal to triple means multiply with 3 second term is t2 okay यहाँ sn दिएको छ sn को फर्मुला लगाउने sn is equal to n by 2 then 2a plus n minus 1 into d sn means what 50 is equal to n is 10 upon 2 then 2a plus n is 10 minus 1 into d yes 2 5s 5 10s 2 5s 5 10s how much 2a plus 9d is equal to 10 equation 1 2a plus 9d is equal to 1. This is equation 1. Then fifth term डाइरेक्ट पनि लेखिन्छ है. फिफ्थ टर्म भनेको डाइरेक्ट a plus 4d लेखिन्छ. जति टर्म हुन्छ एउटा d कम हुने है. अब तिमीले a plus n minus 1 into d गरेर गरेपछि हुन्छ. n भनेको 5 minus 1 4 नै हुन्छ नि. अब डाइरेक्ट लेख्न पनि सिक्नु पर्यो. फिफ्थ टर्म भनेको एउटा d कम हुने हो. फिफ्थ टर्म भनेको a plus 4d. 100 टर्म भनेको a plus 99d. जति टर्म हुन्छ नि एउटा d कम हुन्छ है. ल डाइरेक्ट लेख्दिन. फिफ्थ टर्म भनेको a plus 4d is equal to 3. सेकेन्ड टर्म भनेको a plus सेकेन्ड टर्म सेकेन्ड भनेको 2 हो नि त. एउटा d कम हुन्छ 2d नभएर d. फिफ्थ टर्म भनेको a plus 4d. सेकेन्ड टर्म भनेको a plus d. जति टर्म भन्छ एउटा d कम गर्ने हो है. त 50 टर्म्स भनेपछि a plus 49d. एउटा d कम गर्ने बस भइहाल्यो. तिमीले फर्मुला लगाए पनि हुन्छ. a plus n minus 1 into d फर्मुला लगाए पनि त्यति नै आउँछ है. त्यो भन्दा सजिलो डाइरेक्ट यस्तो हुन्छ. ल पहिला यसले मल्टिप्लाई गरेर लेखौँ त. 3a plus 3d a plus 4d. 3a plus 3d element minus a minus 4d is equal to 0. 3a minus a 2a this minus d is equal to 0. Equation 2 is the equal as solving equation 1 and equation 2. What is equation 1? 2a plus 9d is equal to 10. This 2a plus 9d 10. What? 2a minus d is equal to 0. Subtraction. Plus minus this. 9d is what? 10d. 10d is equal to 10. 10 1s are 10. d is equal to 2. Okay, put the value of d in equation 1. Yes, what is equation 1? 2a plus 9d is equal to 10. Then 2a plus 9 into d means 1 is equal to 10. 2a plus 9 1 is 9 is equal to 10. Yes. Then what? 2a is equal to 10 plus 9 goes there minus 9. 2a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 by 2. Then you have to find the sum of 20 terms. Therefore, a is equal to 1 by 2 and d is equal to 1, n is equal to 20. Then Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes? How much n? 20. 20 upon 2. 2 into a means 1 by 2. Plus n means what? 20 minus 1 into d means 1. 2 and 2 cancel. 2 tens are this 10. 1 plus this and this 90. Yes, 10 into this 90 plus 1 is 20. Is equal to 200. Okay, model 3.1, then go to question number 3. The sum of the first 8 term of arithmetic series is 180. Yeah, sum of 8 term. Yes, 8 is equal to how much? 180. Yes. Fifth term is what? T5. Fifth term is 5 times of first term. 5 times 5 into first term. First term is 8. Fifth term is 5 times. जति टाइम्स हुन्छ मल्टिप्लाई 5 times of first term. Then find the first term in common difference. First term A is equal to what? In common difference B is equal to what? You have to find this A and B. One side S8 is equal to 180, n is equal to 8. Another side T5 is equal to 5 into 8. Yes. Okay. S8 देखो Sn को करो. Sn is equal to what? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes. S8 is what? 180. N means 8 by 2, then 2a plus n means what? 8 minus 1 into d. D is not given. 2 4 4 45. Then what? 2a plus 7d is equal to 45. This equation 2a plus 7d is equal to 45 equation 1. And then fifth term is what? A plus 40. Again just directly लेख्नु पाइन्छ भनेको fifth term एउटा d कम गरिदिनु. 5 into a. Then what? 5a is equal to a plus 4d. Bring this front side. 5a minus a is equal to 4. 5a minus a minus 4d is equal to 0. 5a minus what? 4a minus 4d is equal to 0. Yes. 2 common level equation 2. Okay. For solving equation, there should be equal. यहाँ 2a छ यहाँ के छ 4a छ equal छैन अनि यसलाई कतिले 2 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो है. Equation 1 is multiplied by 2 and solving with equation 2. What? 2a plus 7d is equal to 45. Sorry, multiply with 2. 2 to the 4a plus 14d is equal to multiply with 90. Yes. 4a minus 4d is equal to 0. Then what? Subtraction minus plus minus this. 14 is 18. 18d is equal to 90. 18 5 d is equal to 5. Yes, d is equal to 5. Okay, you have to put this value in equation 1. 2a plus 7d is equal to 45. 2a plus 7 into 5 is equal to 45. 2a is equal to 45 minus 7 5 is 35. Yes. 2a is equal to this or 10. 2 5 is 10. A is equal to 5. Therefore, A is equal to 5 and D is equal to also 5. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 5. Then what you have to find? A and D only, yes. Okay, copy this. Then I am doing this. Question number 8. What you have asked already? है अर्को चैप्टरमा यो क्वेशन परेको थियो तिमीले पहिले पनि सोधेका थियौ त्यही भएर म अब क्वेशन नम्बर 8 गर्दै छु. दिस इज लास्ट अफ दिस सम है सम को लास्ट क्वेशन हो. Question number 8. in an arithmetic sequence, 6 term is equal to 6 term is equal to 3 times of the 4 term. 6 term is what? T6 is equal to 6 term is equal to 3 times of 4 term. T4. Yes, 6 times is equal to 3 times of 4 term, and sum of first 3 terms. Yes, 3. Sum of the first 3 terms minus 12. Minus 12. Find the sum of the first 10 terms. Yes, 10 is equal to what? I have already told whatever given. First of all, you have find the value of A and D. जे पनि A र D को भ्यालु निकाल्नु पर्यो. पहिलो कुरा, जबसम्म A र D निस्किदैन, you can't. मैले भनेको अर्थमेटिक सिक्वेन्स भन्ने बित्तिकै we have to find A and D. चाहे SN को इक्वेसन गरा, चाहे TN को इक्वेसन गरा, चाहे SN को गरा, चाहे LN को गरा, जसरी पनि we have to find the value of A and D. तो एकातिर के छ भने T6 is equal to 3 into T4. Another side, yes, 3 is equal to minus 12. Yes, T6. How much T6? n term direct निकाल्ने भनेपछि एउटा n कम हुन्छ. T6 means what? A plus 5. Yes, is equal to 3 into 4 term means A plus 3. जति टर्म्स भन्छ एउटा d कम गरिदिने है. 6 टर्म भनेको 6 भनेको 5d हो, 4 टर्म भनेको 3d भयो. पहिला यसलाई लेखौँ ठुलोलाई. 3a plus 3 3 is 9. D is equal to A plus 5d. Yes, 3a plus 9d, bring front side minus A minus 5d is equal to 0. 3a minus A, 2a, 9d minus plus 4d, 0. Yes. Then what? Sum of the 3 terms. Sum is given 3 terms. N is equal to 3. Then Sn is equal to what? N by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then what? Minus 12 is equal to 3 upon 2. 2a plus n is 3 minus 1 into d. 3 4s are 2a plus this and this minus 2d is equal to 4 to the minus 8. This equation 2. Okay, solve this equation 1 and equation 2. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. What is equation 1? 2a plus 4d is equal to 0. 2a plus 2d is equal to minus 8. Yes, there is subtraction. Plus minus minus. This and this cancel. Then what? 2d is equal to 8. 2 4 is 8. D is equal to 4. Yes. Putting this value in equation 1. D is equal. What is equation 1? 2a plus 4d is equal to 0. 2a plus 4 into d. How much d? 4 is equal to 0. 2a is equal to 4 for the 16. Or the minus 16. 2 8 is 16. A is equal to minus 8. Yes. Therefore, A is equal to minus 8 and D is equal to how much? 4. A and D you get. Then you have to find what? Sum of 10 terms. So, N is equal to 10. Sn is equal to how? N by 2. 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N means what? 10. 10 upon 2. 2 into A means minus 8 plus N means 10 minus 1 into D means 4. 2 5 is yes. Then 5 minus 16 plus is 9. 9 4 is 36. 5 into this and this minus 20. Okay. Okay. Remaining question you have to do. Yes. Whatever I have already told, whatever asked, you have to first find the value of A and D. है जे सोधे पनि हामीले के छ A र D को value finding गर्नुपर्छ. After finding the value of A and D, we have to find anything whatever asked there, whether it is Tn or Sn. Okay, keep this mass. This chapter is finished. In next chapter we will do mean, arithmetic mean. Yes, arithmetic there is 3 chapter. One is related to n term, and last term we have done. Another is related to sum, and last chapter of arithmetic series is related to what? Arithmetic mean. Okay, keep this much for today. Thank you.